I am Dr. Kalpana Kotecha, founder and director of Amazo Health. Amazo Health comes up with a lot of homeopathic remedies prepared after years of experiences with advanced formulations prepared for particular chronic illnesses. So today we'll talk about psychology, because homeopathy believes a lot in psychology. We have a lot of medicines based on the mind. We have chapters in repertories on mind, and few diseases which cannot be interpreted through laboratory investigations, or even though if they are interpreted through laboratory investigations, yet we do consider into our repertorizations the mind symptoms, the psychology of a person, the genetic mutations what are happening. And to complete a cure or to get a holistic cure, we do have to take into consideration, and that is why understanding psychology is also an art in prescribing or even in a case taking. Or even for a person, a layman person, to understand his own psychology is very, very important, specifically in diseases like migraine and alcoholism, smoking, these type of addictions. Many a time people come to me telling that I want my husband or my brother or my father to leave alcoholism, to leave smoking. These are addictions related more towards psychologically and less towards physical of a person. Although in the long run they do damage the liver and the lungs and all the physical organs of a human being. So psychology is all about interpretation. What is interpretation? Many a times we see in pictograms, a picture is predicted in different ways with different people in the pictogram. Similarly, our psychology, our interpretation matters, and how we heal or resolve our problems or illnesses, psychological illnesses, is through what we interpret. You can say that this bottle is half filled, and you can also say that this bottle is half empty. So this is what interpretation means. Meaning to say that you are interpreting it as a half empty, I am interpreting it as a half filled. So what you psychologically, what you interpret matters. Let's come to migraine. In migraine, you have to find out, migraine is always a one-sided headache. So you have to find out what are the causes of migraines, since how long it is. Do not come to a conclusion any headache is which is like since many years predicted as a migraine headache. So basically migraine headaches are one-sided headache, but not all one-sided headache are migraines. You have to understand this. So to find out the causative factors and to heal migraine completely, although you have to take medicines for it, no doubt about it, but towards the psychological interpretation you have to first find out the reason for that. So you have to find out whether you are anemic, your hemoglobin levels are low, whether you have low oxygen levels carried to your brain, and is that the reason you are getting the headache? So first is that. Second, you have to find out whether you are you have a very stressful life, you're always confused in your head about taking decisions, you are very low in confidence, and you are not able to or you have a lot of judgments. So all these will cause a lot of stress in your mind, in your thoughts, and these will revolve as free radicals in your brain, and you need to take a lot of antioxidants for it. You need to supply a lot of oxygen to your brain. You need to meditate, you need to relieve your stress, you need to take some action to your thoughts, not just keep on thinking. Take some decisions for which you are responsible, improve your confidence levels. And this is how you, along with the medications, you can treat migraine, heal completely out of it through these interpretations. So whenever you interpret that I am getting a headache, oh this person is irritating me, you have to interpret it other way around. You are getting irritated by that person, and you have to try to find out a solution to that. And not keep on blaming that person, that will not be the solution. So psychology is all about interpretation. Next we come to addictions like alcoholism and smoking. Now these are all personality traits. You don't need to smoke or to consume alcohol to prove yourself that you are a man, you are a breadwinner of the family, but yet you are not able to deliver what is expected from you by the society. So these type of thoughts have to be overcome while you want to cease alcoholism or smoking addictions. So first of all, you have to decide that yes, I want to quit smoking or I want to quit alcoholism. So many a times we have found alcoholism is most of the times due to the company what we keep. So if you really feel from the bottom of your heart that you want to cease alcoholism when you want to have a good family, or you know that in the long run it's going to damage your liver and it is not good for your health also. So first of all, you have to decide, stick to it. Now in the society also you are labeled as an alcoholic or you as a smoker. That label has to be erased, and as and when you have got the label over the years, similarly the process will be reversed. It won't happen overnight, but yes, you have to throw the box of the cigars or all the bottles that you have stored for, all the money you have preserved for alcoholism, and utilize it into a good cause, and just eradicate those temptations from your mind and physically also. Only then you will be able to cease or overcome addictions of smoking and alcoholism. There are a lot of nicotine tablets, even in homeopathy, we have very good remedies for you to help cease smoking and alcoholism. But it's all about psychology, it's all about interpretation. So instead of thinking that I have to prove myself as a man, why don't you admire or support a woman, your mother, your sister or your wife who is trying to help you out in these hard times of your life? If you think it that way, if you interpret it the other way around, only then God will come to help you. Homeopathy will come to help you. So you have to decide. So psychology is all about interpretation. Change your interpretations, heal yourself, and completely heal yourself out of all your illnesses, these type of psychological illnesses what you are facing in life. Build up your confidence, be strong enough. It's not that you are not important to your family. You are very much needed and you are very much important to your family. Be a pillar to your family. Do not expose them to your second-hand smoke. Try to find out a solution. Cease your smoking. Give expression to your thoughts. Once you give expression to your thoughts, you will be definitely able to get into the de-addiction. If you have these type of problems, psychological problems, where you are not able to interpret the correct thing and you need a solution to it, we have a number below. You can call me or WhatsApp me for consultation on correcting your psychological interpretation. Thank you very much and have a great day ahead.